Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Sorry, I'm walking. I'm on the move. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Chandel. How are you guys? So, this morning, Kason and I are... What did I do with the letter? Oh, God. So, we're on the move this morning because we have to go to the post office. The post office closed at 11:30. It is now... Oh, Kason, we got to wiggle the toilet. Did you guys ever have to do that, wiggle the toilet, so that it can stop making that noise? You know how when you press the handle too hard, it like... So what you call it? So anyway, getting sidetracked. So Kason and I, he's right here. We are getting ready to go to the post office because I have to drop off a package from someone ordered from the store. And if you have not heard, yes, I said the store. So you guys should check out my boutique. It is called Well Favorite Boutique. You should check us out. We have all women's clothes. We have some plus size clothes. We have regular size clothes. You guys should check us out. Purchase something because guess what? I'll send it out tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. Well, Monday, because today's Saturday and they're closed on Sunday. So yeah. So we're on the move. We're going outside. Oh, I need my bag. Duh. Life of mother. So I need my bag because I need to have money to ship off the envelope. I have to drop something else in the mail as well, so I need a stamp. So okay, got my envelope, I got my purse, I got the kid, okay, keys, and I think the package is in the car. I was supposed to take it yesterday when I got off of work, but yeah. Okay, let's put your hood on, dude. Ooh, sorry. Let's go. It's freezing outside. I can't believe how cold it is. Guys, it's supposed to snow. Hit the handle. Open the door. Thank you. Good job. He's so big now, y'all. Like, he can actually hit the handle. All right, come on. Ooh, it's cold, boo. Come on. Oh, my God. It's freezing outside. Come on. Get in, get in.
Good. Ha.
Oh, baby. You have your mask in the car, so we're good for you. You see the camera? Do you say to the family hello? Can you wave and say hi? Can say hi to our family. All right. It's cold, baby. I'm about to turn the car on. Okay. You're set. Okay. Ooh, it's cold. We gotta let our car warm up because Shorty wasn't warmed up all night. Okay. I left my Blistex home. Yeah. I usually keep like, oh, I'm about to get copyrighted. I usually keep a thing of Blistex in the car for like emergencies right now. Okay. Sorry, the sun is like hitting a different way because of the way I parked in the driveway. But how are you guys doing? Good morning. If I didn't mention that already, sorry, it's like my bun is like hitting the top of the car. I am so over. Let me not say that I'm so over the cold because I really do like the cold. The winter time, definitely go with like the cute coats. Like this coat I got here, like I love this olive green coat. I think I got this from Burlington, and you can like swap the thing like this, and but then I realized like the coat is way too big for me to be in a car. So is he about to park on the other side? Okay. So yeah, the coat is way too big for me to like maneuver in the car or whatever. My dad is right there. Hopefully my camera don't slide off this dashboard because that happened to me a while ago, and I think it messed up my my camera. So hopefully we don't slide. I have transition, so it looks like I have on sunglasses, but yeah, I'm gonna turn this corner real swiftly. All right, so yeah, so I gotta go drop this off or whatever. Anyway, like I was saying about like the coat, I want to find like a smaller jacket because this one is so big, and I feel like I already gotta have him, my purse, and you know, all the other stuff, and it's just be like too bulky for me to be wearing in the car. So I need to find like a smaller jacket, but I feel like it's way too late now because, to be honest, it's February as of Monday, and I mean, I guess I can always y'all are coming around this corner way too fast for my liking. I guess I can still wear it and then, you know, put it away for next year. So yeah, and I was gonna go to Old Navy. I love Old Navy. I love shopping there. So I was gonna get a jacket from them because why not? But I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna look and see what I can find or whatever, because like I still want to be like warm. I don't want to be freaking freezing and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna go drop off the package to the post office, and I think on my way back home I want to go get a caramel frappe from McDonald's because they're so good and I've just been craving one. Every time I come over here to come drop off a package, don't slide. Okay, great. Every time I come over here to drop off a package, I gotta stop and get me McDonald's, what you call it? This big boy is in the back with us today. You see, I don't bring him. Usually I, ooh, coming off across the hump. I knew it. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, it started sliding around. I need to get like something that's gonna like hold the camera steady while I'm driving, because obviously like vlogging and driving is a no-no and I don't condone it. So, but right now I'm doing it because, yeah. So my battery's about to die. So I'm gonna be in the post office and I will see you guys when I get back to the house. Alright? Peace, y'all. Here is the package. I'm not gonna show you the back because the young lady address is on it, but it says, hello, I'm what you be waiting for. So it is my store, so shop my brand, shop with your girl. All right, guys, I am home now. I dropped off the young lady's package to the store. Want to eat? I dropped her package off to the post office and I sent off the letter. So, you know, hopefully that gets to you guys safe and sound. I look crazy. I really need to do my hair this weekend and straighten it. So that's one of the things that's on my to-do list. I did go to McDonald's. I got me a large caramel frappe. Look at the, oh, it's just so good. Look at the details. So freaking good. I like crazy. Definitely when I was pregnant, I loved them. So we're gonna eat right now. And Pops made some food for us, so we're gonna eat. And then I need to clean up. Like I really seriously need to clean up the house. And I need to do my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna do my hair either today or tomorrow, but it needs to get done. Also, I have some clothes that Casey used to wear, I used to wear, and I need to go send them off. Excuse me, you're not getting it. This is mine. He swear he's about to get my caramel frappe. Go get your cup. It's so good. So anyway, I have some clothes. There's nothing in there. I have some clothes that we don't need anymore. So I want to go, you know, hey, come pick this up. Go throw that in the trash. Pick that up and put it in the trash. So there's some clothes in the thing that I don't need that I'm just going to go put in like the Salvation Army bins or whatever, because no one clearly wants them. And yeah, but I have a bunch of stuff. I have clothes for me. I have clothes for Casey, because, you know, Casey's a big boy now. He's huge, y'all. He came in and he took all his clothes off. So yeah, we're about to eat. I will probably hit you guys back later when I either start cleaning or when I pack up all the stuff to go to the Salvation Army. Peace. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know that I did not finish out the you want to say hi? Okay, there you go. I did not finish out the vlog the other day, but we really didn't do much when we came home. I didn't do anything that I said I was gonna do. Your girl's just been slipping. But anyway, that's neither here or there. So you guys, it is snowing outside. We're off today from work and school, so it's snowing outside, and it's literally, hey, get from under my dress. It's supposed to be, no, that's nasty. Don't do that. Don't, no, thank you. That's not nice. We're supposed to be getting snow the rest of today up until tomorrow. So we'll probably be home tomorrow as well. But we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go play in the snow. Me, Blossom, and Casey. Because why not? My camera just looks so like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the back because Blossom, I can see all your pee stains in the snow. So look at our backyard. Excuse me. I can't see. Here's our backyard. It is snowed a lot. So we're probably going to the back. We're not going to probably go in the front, but we'll come in the back. So yeah. we're gonna go outside and play. So we're gonna get dressed, we're gonna go outside and go play, we're gonna have a little fun, we're gonna enjoy the little snow, we're gonna enjoy our little day off. We just did some coloring. So here, I try to do, you know, if you don't know, I am a teacher, so I printed out him some coloring things. You can't even see what the heck this was, and I don't even tell what the heck this was. Oh, it was Chase. I printed out Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol is one of his favorite things. And then in school this week, they're learning about like music and stuff. So I printed out like some music notes so he knows that like a music note, what it looks like, the different types of music notes. So we did that. And then we have some cards. So we did some cards. We did our colors. We did our shapes. So, and then we just did some Play-Doh. So I want him to still get like the grasp of being in school today while we're home, because I don't want to take him out their routine, because then that can just get bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna go get dressed. We will see you guys when we have on our snow gear. We really don't have that much snow gear. We just have some boots. He probably not gonna put on a hat, but he's gonna put on a jacket. We're gonna double up on coats. I have a big coat, I have some boots, and he has some boots too. So yeah, so we're gonna get dressed and we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, we have our attire on, all three of us. Kason has his, I finally got him to wear a hat. She don't need it. Finally got him to wear a freaking hat with the hood on. He got his boots, he got his gloves, she got her stuff on. I got my boots, I got my jacket. We're ready. I'm actually going to, I'm looking for my phone. I don't know where my phone is, because we're gonna just go in the front and clean my car off. We're at it. I'm just trying to think where to put you, because you guys are not waterproof. Talk to the camera. I don't know what I did with my phone. Sorry, I know that the lighting is super off right now. Oh, here you go. Got it. Alright, so my brush and stuff is in. Oh, it's like coming down. It's like no point to even try to clean it off. Because if you clean this stuff, oh, look at my car, y'all. My car is like, he's trying to get Boston to come outside, but look at my car. It's just snowed in. So I don't even know if I should clean it off, but like, do you see how like hard it's coming down? I'm trying to do it without showing my address.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight. You win!
Alright guys, we are inside now. I look crazy. My hair is just... Your girlfriend trying to shoot earring for like a month. But we are inside now. We've been inside for a while now. At least like 30 minutes. What time is it? I don't even know where my phone is. But we're sitting down, we're eating. We had for dinner last night some Italian sausages and some potatoes. So that's what we're eating. Excuse me. So this is big fella. So that's what he says. I finished mine already. But if he's not gonna eat his, then I'm gonna eat his. So yeah, he stole my water bottle. So that's my way of getting him to drink water. He drinks whatever I drink. So he's drinking water. Yeah. So we pretty much are just gonna fix this. So sit down, eat. Sit down and eat because then it's time to take a nap after this. We're kind of off schedule. I think right now it's probably like it's like 3:17 I think, or something like that. But yeah. So yeah, now we're just sitting here. I think after this, sit down please. After this, we are going to go in the room and we're going to take a nap because usually in school he takes a nap from 1 to 3. So on the weekends or when we're typically home, I try to keep him on that same schedule because I don't want him to get off track, because then when it's time to go to school, it's just going to be very rough for him. So we're not going to do that. So you're not going to eat, I'm going to eat yours. So that's what we're doing. We're eating, and then we'll see what the rest of the day have in store for us. But yeah, it's still snowing outside. Like I mentioned earlier, it's supposed to snow all the way until Tuesday. So yeah, we're gonna take a nap soon because I kind of want to take a nap too. Even if I don't take a nap, I just sit there and relax. That is part of my mommy time. I actually have a video for that coming up. About like self-care and stuff, so you know, look out on the video for that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the family, join the gang. 2021 we are doing big things. Hey, first of all, you stole my water bottle and now you're trying to take the paper off of it. Give it here. It wasn't yours. So anyway, subscribe to the channel. 2021 we're gonna do so many new things. We're gonna be doing a lot, so stay tuned. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time we post. Let me know if I should start doing notification shout outs and stuff like that, you know, because you guys are all been very supportive. I hear my phone, I hear my messages, but I don't see my phone. But anyway, let me know if I should do that. and do post notification shout outs, because you guys have been so supportive. You guys have been very loyal, and we truly love you guys, and we're so thankful for you. So let us know if we should start doing that and everything. Life fam, that's what you guys are our family. We love you so much. So yeah, we're about to just wrap this up. We're about to go take a nap because we woke up at like 10. I'm kind of tired, and he's probably tired too. So thank you so much for watching this video. We love you, and we will see you guys next time. Peace. Jason, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, let's find out. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys, we love you. Peace.